last video, you guys want to see how I tie the scarf. So in today's video, I will share with you 5 simplest way you can tie your scarf. The one I'm using is a MS scarf. You can use any type of the scarf by using the same way. If you guys like this type of a video, please leave a comment below. I will share with you more in the future. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So this is the first way. All you need is one rubber band and one scarf, any kind of scarf. So now let's move on the second way. This is the way. Next is this way. Next one is this way. So next is this way. So that's it. That's all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.